Here's my Traxxas Slash 4x4, and today we're going to be installing the Traxxas TRX Aluminum Hubs. Our first step is to remove our tires. You're going to remove this screw, that screw, as well as that silver kingpin screw. All those screws are removed, you should just be able to pull everything apart. Now our next step is taking out the drive shaft. So we're just going to take our flathead, pop the hex up. And as you can see, there's a little pin going across here. Don't want to lose that. Set that to the side. And this should just pull apart, removing our drive shaft. Next thing I'm going to do is replace our old bearings with new bearings. So I'm just going to take the flathead again, pull our old bearing off. Now we're ready to reinstall it in our aluminum hub here. So we're going to take the new bearings that I got off of Jenny RC. That's the wrong one. The bigger one slides on top of the drive shaft. Push that on evenly. There we go. Then I'm going to slide it into our C hub here. And take the smaller bearing now and slide it over. And we're going to take our hex, a little pin. Sorry, this thing's not sitting down properly. That goes in. There was a little washer that was sitting in behind that pin there. Reinstall that. And now I can take my pin and reinstall it. Like so. Make sure it's sitting evenly. Gotta take my hex back, slide that on as well. There we go. That is our drive shaft installed into the new aluminum hexes, C-hubs. To reinstall this back in, it's just a reverse order. We're just going to put in these two screws back in and our kingpin screw back into the arm. Now it's time to do the rear. We're going to take our flathead again and pop this hex off, and remove this screw and this bottom kingpin screw. Okay, so now we're going to disassemble our old hub and install it on our new aluminum hub. So our bearings, like so. A little washer. Then our pin. And then our hex. Push it on. There we go. Now to reinstall it back again.